Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to integrate the Facebook Pixel with your Shopify store using the Delta Pixel 2.0 app. Step 1. Open the Delta Pixel app log into your Shopify admin panel and open the Delta Pixel app. In the app menu, click on the Facebook Pixels option. Step 2. Create a new Facebook Pixel. Click Add Facebook Pixel. You'll need to complete 2 simple steps to finish the integration. Step 3. Add pixel details. In the first step, enter the name of your pixel. Then you need to add Pixel ID Go to your Facebook Business Manager. Open Events Manager. Click on Data Sources and select the pixel you want to connect. Copy the pixel ID. Now go back to the Delta Pixel app and paste the pixel ID into the field. You can choose whether the pixel should target the entire store collection-specific product tags. For now, let's select Entire Store. Step 4. Add Conversion API. In the second step, for Facebook Access Token, go back to Events Manager in Facebook. Scroll down and click on Generate Access Token. Copy the token and paste it into the app. Next, you can optionally add your test event code from Events Manager. This allows you to instantly test pixel tracking, as Facebook can sometimes take minutes or hours to display tracked events. Paste the code if needed, or skip it for now. Click Save to move forward. Step 5. Test and verify events. That's it. Your Facebook Pixel is now integrated with Shopify via Delta Pixel 2.0. Perform some activities in your online store, like viewing a product, adding to cart, or checking out, to trigger events. Step 6. View activity in Delta Pixel. Go back to the Delta Pixel app, select the date, and you'll see all the events from your test activities listed here. This confirms that your Facebook Pixel is successfully connected and tracking events in real time. Thanks for watching.